Today, at this quite high camera angle, look, you can see the side of my desk and my sofa that we don't normally look at. We have a big box with my name on it. Yes, this is another project from Mr. Stewart up at ManchesterVacs. We're going to open it up, see what's inside, see what state it is, because some bits have been done already. We get a sneak peek at what a powder-coated hood looks like on a Hoover. Let's hope you chose the right colour, eh? Let's get it unboxed and have a look. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? I will get lots of space back in my house once I've unboxed this, that's for sure. And I shall keep the box as well because it will be going back in it too, so I'm going to have to take all of this packaging out and keep it ready for it to go away again. Ooh. Here we have the hood, which is filthy, which is good because I don't have to ruin the surprise for you when it's back together. But yeah, that's been powder coated and that's very, very good indeed. It's only done a while. I think this went in before coronavirus and it obviously came out way in the middle of it all there. So yes, this machine is a part, because obviously some disassembly had to be done prior. Now we have two handles. There were two machines. I know that a hood was sold or is up for sale at the minute. So two machines. Immediately I can see the better of the two handle grips. Both need a respray rather than a paint, because obviously you can't take this style of handle grip off at all, I don't think, especially not very easily. So I shall have to mask all this off and just do my best at spraying what results. Crikey, I'll be able to come a bit lower in a minute, but we're down to some boxes though. So I think the best thing that I could do is to have them out. This will be it in bits, I think. And we'll have a closer look at everything. Marvellous. There we go, back to some level of acceptableness. This is a very light box, so could this be the bag? I don't even know how to get into this flipping thing. This is not the bag. This is a very delicate piece of paper like this is. You want to be very, very careful when you unbox it. Oh, that's in excellent, filthy, but excellent condition. I'm hoping I can bring that up at the front with perhaps a little bit of wire wool and some auto sole. Ooh, that's good. Look. That's going to look all right, isn't it? What's in this is a heavier box. Which has one motor. Ha 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 ha. All with a bulb in it as well. Older style looking bulb. Oh, there's a note. Duff refurb. Yes, Mr. Stewart asked me if I could have a look at the other motor as well, just so we can have one on his stocks, because I think he's realising that, you know, us vintage retro vacuum enthusiasts, you know, we like a nice stash of spares. Here we go. All right, well, the bulb is smashed, but this one is not Duff, apparently. This one works okay, so I mean, all the screws are in there still from when it was powder coated, so it won't really sit on there properly at all. But we can give it. There's lots of glass. Bugger. Why did I? There's nothing else in. Problem is, I don't know if there's anything else in there that needs doing. Oh no, I can't. Oh, right, I'm gonna have to clean. I'm gonna have to vacuum this just so I don't cut my feet up, and then we shall carry on the unboxing. And I'm going to take this out because I don't think it's blown, and therefore it could be used when it goes back in. But it can go up here, out of the way. Right, there we go. Possibly no more glass now. Let us hope and see what is in this box. I don't actually know how much of this I'm getting. I was thinking that as I was vacuuming. I don't know what is here because I don't know how much they've done themselves. And also, that's why I'm having to open up all of this flipping packaging just to check that I'm not. Oh my god, here it is. That I'm not missing anything. Right, so we have the tool door, the tool port flap. Oh my goodness. I need to buy a rivet gun because this is one of the springs that goes on one of these sides. I don't know which. So, okay, that's interesting. A very warm brush roll. Like, phenomenally worn. Yep. The front bumper. A belt. A second tool entry port. Okay, I see where this is going now. Rear wheels with their springs. That's excellent to see. A brand new Kirby extension cable. Mr. Stewart picks these up for cheap. You can see this is some weird foreign plug, but snip, you have some very nice black textured cable with a nice vintage MK on it. Banging, it'll look really good. So that's that. Oh, we just have, okay, so this is a big old jigsaw puzzle. Indeed, two of those. Yeah, this is two machines worth of stuff. Oh my goodness, look at that. I can only use that brown bumper because the grey one just won't do. It's ruined. Base plate, other doodah. I'm feeling there was a grey machine as well here, don't you? Oh my word. This is a completely stripped apart. Oh, there's another one with even more worn brushes. Wow. I don't know if I've got any. I should probably check. There's a slightly worn belt in there too. Bless it. Here is the brown handle bale. Oh my word. There is all the screws, nuts and bolts. Handle bale spring, another wheel. The other wheel thing. More packaging. A bag. Oh, maybe a genuine bag. Certainly in superbly good condition. So that will work. The other handle bale and other height adjustment thing. Oh my! Yeah, look, there's all the nuts and bolts are on here still. Crikey, I wasn't fully expecting it to be this stripped down, and it might be alright, you know, because I can use any old rivets I need to on this, because obviously the front bumper has perished as it is, bless it. We'll go over the top of it all. So actually, all I've got here is a jigsaw puzzle. And again, I can do what I like to do when I have two machines worth of parts. And well, take these rear wheels, go, okay, well, they are genuine rear wheels. They are not. Well, they are, but these are nicer. And overall, actually, I think this whole axle frame is going to be in better condition itself than this one. So we shall probably... But again, I'll probably refurbish it all because who knows, somebody else might have need for it. But I think we'll keep... that's a crackle effect finish. So we'll keep that part as opposed to this one, which is just painted silver. Now you see, we've got, I think... Depending on how well that cleans off, we'll be using that base plate because it's in better condition. You see how this works, folks? It's very good. There you go. You see black wheels versus lighter, darker brown wheels. It's all going to be gone through and we can make one excellent machine out of this. I'm quite looking forward to how well this is going to come out. So, one jigsaw puzzle, sir, as requested. It's going to take me a little while. But mainly because I shall do all of it, I shall literally have everything apart, wash everything as one, dry it as one, and just put the best machine back together that I can. Hope that I can find some better brush strips in the progress. So there we go, something else for the ManchesterVacs Vacuum Cleaner Museum. Oh, what a lot of stuff that you can't even see it all. There we go, look, what a lot of stuff, but it will certainly look really good once it's done, especially with that hood powder coating. It'll be interesting to see how well that comes up, compared to when I paint them myself with Hammerite. So, all I can really show you is this. I'm not putting it together to run, because there just isn't much point, if I'm being brutally honest. You may as well wait until it's all back together, all lovely and clean and shiny. So until that point, I say thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. And what's left of this, we'll see you soon. Bye bye.